1,000-degree knife right here. We're going to, ready? You gotta heat up the water, real hot. Oh, that's hot.
You touch it.
Ow! You're gonna put the knife in there for a day or two. Just a day? Yeah.
How is it gonna get red hot?
You have to wait. Alright, this knife is really, really hot now. You want to grab whatever it is you want to cut, and then just... Whoa! Do you see that?
Oh my god.
Cut it! Alright, the water didn't really work, so we're gonna have to use the microwave since that's really hot. So you just need
It's
to put
gonna
the
get
knife in.
real nice and hot.
You just need to put the knife in, and then there's actually a setting meant for knives. It's the K setting. It's K for knife.
Oh, that's nice.
And you're gonna want to just put that. No, just at 30. Oh, bacon. 8.
Just press enter.
All right.
2 minutes. There we go. That's gonna be nice.
All right,
and
now
hot.
it's heating up.
We'll cut back when it gets nice and hot. There we
Oh,
go.
looks like it's done. All right.
Well, guys, it's all done.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Check
Guys,
out that red hot
See
knife.
that? It's orange.
I bet this could cut anything.
Anything. No. Let's do it on a water bottle.
Oh.
Whoa! It's on fire! It's on fire! Whoa! Whoa! Don't touch it, you'll burn. Okay, he successfully cut it with a red hot knife challenge.
Red hot knife challenge.